Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I'm so happy you're joining my class today. Today's lesson is all about sentences, des phrases. Oh, but you say, Madame, I don't know how to say sentences. Well, you're in the right place because I'm going to show you how to say, how to read, how to write sentences en français. Wow, it's going to be so much fun. Before we begin, can you say bonjour, Anana, in a nice loud voice so she can join our class? Bonjour, Anana. Oh, la voilà. Ah, ça va bien, Anana? Tu dis bonjour aux amis? Est-ce que ça va bien aujourd'hui? Oui, ça va bien. Are you excited to learn all about sentences? Des phrases? Oui? D'accord. On va commencer par choisir une couleur. Tu peux répéter les couleurs après moi? Noir, blanc, rose, violet, bleu, vert, jaune, orange, rouge. Est-ce que tu veux choisir la couleur? Do you want to pick the color? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Vert. D'accord, on va choisir le vert aujourd'hui. This series is called French with Ananas. This is lesson 3.13, E sound. Leçon 3.13, son I. Alors, on va commencer. Alors, qu'est-ce... Oh, ananas. Do you remember the name of this animal? If you said wapiti, you are correct. Wapiti. Now, when we write a sentence in French, we need to add some words. So Madame has added some words. Ici, I added 2 words. They are at the beginning of the sentence. That's the start. Le début de la phrase. Phrase is the French word for sentence. So at the beginning of the sentence, we have il voit. Can you repeat that? Il voit. Now, il means he, and voit means sees. So, he sees. Now, the next thing, we want to write what he sees. He sees a wapiti. Now, in French, when you write a sentence, you must write the gender of the thing that you're talking about. So the gender of wapiti is either masculine or feminine. So it's going to be masculin ou féminin. So if we look over here, the little word before wapiti gives us the clue. So in this case, un is masculine because there's no e at the end. So un wapiti. Can you repeat that? Un wapiti. So that means wapiti is a masculine word. So let's try the whole sentence together. Toute la phrase. Il voit un wapiti. Encore. Encore means again. Il voit un wapiti. Now, do you know what the sentence means? It means he sees a wapiti. Yay! Bravo les amis, on continue. Oh, something that is yellow, jaune. Do you remember the name of this fruit? Citron. If you said citron, you are correct. Citron. Now, do you know if citron is a masculine word or a feminine word? So we're going to look at the little word before it says un. So now we know it's masculine. C'est masculin. So we're going to say un citron. Can you say that? Un citron. On va répéter toute la phrase. Il voit un citron. Encore. Il voit un citron. And do you remember what the sentence means? He sees a lemon. Bravo! Anana, are you having fun? Oui. C'est bien. D'accord. On continue, mes amis. Ouh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember the name for a net? Filet. Filet. Bravo. Can you figure out if filet is masculin or féminin? Regarde ici. If you said masculin, you are correct. Un filet. Can you repeat that? Un filet. Bravo. Alors, on va répéter toute la phrase, the whole sentence. Il voit un filet. Encore. Il voit un filet. Yay! Bravo! You're doing a great job. Sentences are not scary. Oh, look at the beautiful nest. Do you remember the French word? Nid. Can you say that again? Nid. Do you know if nid is féminin ou masculin? Regarde ici. Oui, so un is masculin. There's your clue. So nid is a masculine word. Un nid. Can you say that again? Un nid. On va répéter toute la phrase au complet. Il voit un nid. Encore. Il voit un nid. Bravo! C'est bien. C'est beau, mes amis. Oh! Very fancy. Oh, Ananas, qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you like jewelry? Oui. Alors, the French word for jewelry, if you remembered bijou, you are correct. It is bijou. Now you can see in this picture there's lots of them. Lots of jewelry. So we will say des bijoux. Il voit des bijoux. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? Ah, oui. She would like to know what happens if there's only one piece of jewelry. Un bijou. Well, then we would have to figure out, is it masculin ou féminin? Look over here. Un. Un is masculin. So un bijou. So bijou is masculin. Un bijou. Let's try the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Il voit un bijou. Encore. Il voit un bijou. Bravo! Oh, you are so good at this. Bravo! Oh, Ananas, c'est une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Où est mon sac? Mon sac est ici. Oh, Ananas, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans... Oh, c'est gros, big, gros. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, on va ouvrir le sac, Ananas. On va ouvrir le sac. Mets ta main dans le sac, dans le sac. On va tirer fort, fort, fort. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, Ananas, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, c'est l'ami d'Ananas. C'est Hibou. Oh, and they are very good friends. Hibou. And that's another E-E-E sound. Hibou. Oh, my friends, did you have fun learning about sentences? Oui? Bravo. Well, until next time, we're going to say à la prochaine. That means see you next time. Can you say à la prochaine, madame? À la prochaine, Hibou. À la prochaine, Ananas. À la prochaine, mes amis.